Selena. Welcome to ViewSonic London headquarters. Today we'll be unboxing our latest portable projector, the M1 Pro, which is an upgrade of one of the most popular portable projectors, the M1 Plus. So let's take a look at what's in the box. So first let's remove this cover here. So once you open the box, you will be greeted by the quick start guide here. So in this box you will find the power cable to charge your portable projectors. So it comes with a EU plug and a UK plug. One of the benefits of the M1 Pro is that it comes with a built-in battery, so you don't have to have a power socket to power it on. It also comes with this semi-rigid case to take